everyone, welcome back to the channel and happy Black Friday. In today's video I'm going to share some of my best gift ideas with all of you. Almost all of the items that I'm going to be sharing I have in my home. I use them, I love them, and I can recommend it. Best of all of these items are on sale today until Cyber Monday, and they're all available on Amazon. If you like this type of videos, please consider subscribing before you go. Before we move on with our gift ideas, let me show you some pieces of furniture that came in that will upgrade my sitting area in our master bedroom. I'm so excited to add this to this room. I had this chair for a pretty long time, and the ones that I'm going to add to this room will really elevate this space, this side of the room, making it more modern and more cozier. So let's get started. These chairs are from Valencia Theater Seating, and I was so excited when this company reached out to me. These pieces of furniture came well packaged. Valencia Home Theater Seating believe that comfort and luxury are two sides of the same coin, and their chairs demonstrate that one can go without the other. The best quality mechanisms, reliable long-lasting motors, ergonomic designs, and customizable finishes come together in a chair that excels in every aspect. You can enhance the quality of your luxury home theater with seats that elevate your movie experience with unmatched comfort and convenience. This is the Valencia CARLA fabric accent chairs. These are so comfortable. Love the curved design with their premium luxury boucle fabric to be as soft as Cloud9. Each cushion is meticulously crafted to provide the perfect balance of support and softness. It has a solid wood construction, providing a sturdy foundation and ensuring durability and longevity while also remaining light and easy to move. Its timeless design will suit all decor styles. Love that could fit anywhere in my home. Take advantage of the sale happening right now. I will leave all the details down below, and thank you to Valencia Theater Seating for sending me these luxurious pieces of furniture. Moving on with our first gift idea is this glass fluted vase. This vase is gorgeous, and it could be the perfect gift for someone on your nice list. I added these gorgeous flowers, a gift from my husband, and I'm going to place it on my side table. Now that we added our beautiful chairs, let's continue with the coffee lovers in our lives. I have the Breville Creatista Plus coffee machine in the color Sea Salt. This one in particular, my husband gifted me this one like 3 years or 2 years ago, and he bought it at Williams-Sonoma. Amazon has it, but not the white one. Everything that I share here is going to be listed in the description box down below, and they are both on sale in both websites for Black Friday deals. And with that, if you are just buying this, that's a luxe gift. So if you're just buying the coffee machine, or if you want to gift something for your coffee lovers in your life but not a coffee machine, I have this beautiful coffee mugs. It comes in a set of 6 under $20, and it's just beautiful to see the color. And if you do your flat white in your coffee machine or your cappuccinos, the drink experience on this is amazing. Also, you can gift this with coffee spoons. They come in black and bronze and gold and silver, and that will be a great combination for a beautiful Christmas gift. Another gift that I enjoy giving and receiving is a candle. This one in particular is from the company La Jolie Muse. I hope that I'm saying it correctly. I did a collaboration over on Instagram with this company, also on Amazon, also on sale as well. They have different scents. This one is the Starlit Golden Fir. It smells divine. As you can see, it's kind of halfway already, but it's the perfect scent for the holidays. It comes in a beautiful packaging, ready to be gifted. It's a luxe gift for an approachable price. And with that, you can give this on its own or pair it with a electric candle lighter. This is a game changer, you guys. I love this. For under $10, you just add a button, it lights up. So convenient. This will be a great gift combo for a affordable price. Another great home gift idea, if you want to splurge on yourself, for your own home, or for that special someone, is my Aroma 360 diffuser. This guy over here will make your home smell amazing 24/7, like a luxury hotel. I have the My Way, and it's inspired from a Miami hotel, and this smells incredible. You can set it as a timer. I just add the little bottle here and my home smells amazing. I have My Way and Skyfall. It comes with a charging station, so it's so easy to have the plug in all the time, and it has this little button, and I just love the aesthetic of it. It goes so well in my home wherever I put this one, and it's just gorgeous. I really recommend this in your home for that hotel experience. Another item that is a great gift idea for anybody on your list, homebody, home decor lovers, is a blanket. This one in particular is from Batilo Home. I did a collaboration over on TikTok, and this robe is gorgeous. It's so heavy, so thick, so luxurious. It comes in different colors. I just love this one. It has the blacks, the camels, the beiges, and it's amazing. You can pair this with a coffee table book, with a candle, with some slippers. Let me show you. This, it comes already in a beautiful ribbon, so no need to decorate it. But if you want to add another item, this one with a beautiful coffee table book. This is the Jake Arnold Redefining Comfort. It's a gorgeous book, and it comes, they pair together so well. This book has a gorgeous cover as well. If you remove the sleeve, it's like a chocolatey maroon color. Beautiful. Also on sale for Black Friday. A coffee table book and a blanket, perfection. Or you can do a coffee table book with a candle, or you do the candle and you do a beautiful marble bowl. This one is only $20, and it's just gorgeous. You can add use it as a trinket, use it as a candle holder, as it is to store your keys. The possibilities are endless, and I styled this on my coffee table with a candle, and this just elevates the candle. It just looks beautiful. This one is another beautiful coffee table book. I removed the sleeve on this one. This is Arranging Things by Colin Kin. It's a gorgeous book. Beautiful, beautiful book that any home decor lover will appreciate this holiday season. And I actually have it on. My slippers can go so well paired with a blanket. These are so comfortable, you guys. Fur blanket, love the back of it so it won't slip. I leave in this. It comes in so many colors, so you can pair it with a blanket and make a great Christmas gift. Now for our cook lovers, chef lovers in our list, I have this set of measuring spoons. It's an 8-piece. Love the brass on this and the acacia wood handle. You have from 1 cup to all the tablespoon and teaspoon. I did a reel over on Instagram. I'm gonna pop it here, where I do a gift idea, adding a cooking book. This one I love. It's from Amazon as well. And this combination with a ribbon is just gorgeous to give to anybody on your list, and an affordable gift as well. Also, the KitchenAid mixer is on sale. I believe it's 30% off. I have the silver one. I know that they have a limited edition, and that will be a great gift for our bakers in our lives. An item that I believe every household should have chairs, you have sofas, and to really have them clean and not worry about any spills, this is your machine. The Vase little green machine is a game changer. I bought this on Black Friday deals on Amazon, and they have them now for less than what I pay, like 80 something bucks for this cutie. I'm gonna insert a reel when I spot clean one of my dining chairs and all the crazy thing that came out of that little spot. It was incredible. So that's what I do with all my carpets, or like spot clean. You can clean it with this like really fast. It has the water tank to add the water and the solution, and it has the dirty tank. So easy to clean, so easy to store, and I think it will be a perfect gift for anybody on your nice list. An item that I recently purchased that is affordable, is aesthetically pleasing, beautiful, and so convenient to have for all the ladies that wants to have their makeup organized. I have this makeup bag. Beautiful, beautiful checkerboard pattern. It comes in different colors and is a beautiful makeup bag. Really, really big. Inside has compartment and it's open just like that, so you can actually see everything you have. I have it all with I have it filled with all of my stuff, but this is a great gift, and you can pair it with this beautiful brush holder. It's a silicone brush holder. It has this so it can be breathable. This way it's not gonna ruin your makeup bag. I love this. You can get it with the initials. It's gorgeous. It's the perfect size for the makeup bag. Or you can get the makeup bag, add some skincare, add a little bow, and that will be a perfect gift. And let me show you this too. This one, I use it when I travel. Is a jewelry organizer. It's not full. I've been taking stuff out, but this is like the perfect size to add to your bag, to your carry-on bag, because it's so small. It comes in different sizes, and this is an unexpected and beautiful gift that any of your recipient will appreciate. Also, I have this medicine organizer. Again, it comes in different sizes, and this you can throw it on your purse. It has 8 compartments and brings this so you can open them easily. But this is great for traveling, just to add it on your purse on an everyday use, and you will always have what you need on hand. Now, for some skincare and beauty products that will not break the bank are these products here. La Roche-Posay. I've been using these for a couple of months already. It's a purifying foaming cleanser. This soap is soap-free, sulfate-free, oil-free, fragrance-free, allergy-tested, and paraben-free. So it's like a clean product for your face. I love the foaming that it gets to my face. You can give this on its own. You can add this product to the makeup bag, or you can add this one. It's a moisturizer, and this one has been very popular. This is my second bottle. I love it. It's from Korean brand. I had the snail cream for them, or the gel. I really like it, and this one as well. Really inexpensive, for less than $20, and it does the job. So you cannot go wrong with these 2 products for that special person on your list. And we can add as well this band to hold up your hair while you are doing your skincare routine. So pretty combination, and affordable too. And we cannot leave out, this is, I bought it for my 10-year-old. She loves the smell. I love it too. Who doesn't? It's the Sol de Janeiro body mist. This one is on sale as well. And we have the mini travel lotion. This smells amazing, you guys. I just love this scent. They have all the flavor, all the scents on sale for Black Friday deals. Again, this is another beautiful gift to give for the holiday season. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Wishing you all happy holidays. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram on Inspirationbycp. God bless you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Happy holidays.